Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn Aachen University login. So let's get right into our video. And if you want to log into your Aachen University, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you have to search for Aachen University login. And after searching for that, you can find the first option, RWT hotline, and RWT heads Aachen. You just have to tap on that option. And after tapping on that option, you can find the two options. After tapping on that options, you will come up to this page where you can find the two options called login for student and employees, and the second option is login for application. So if you want to log in for application, what you can do is just enter your username and then enter your password. And after entering your username and password, just tap on login. And after tapping on that, you will successfully log into your Aachen University. Or if you want to log in for student and employees account, what you can do is just tap on login access. And after tapping on login access, just enter your username in first blank and enter the password in second blank, and then tap on register only with the current service provided, and check the second option, show overview of the personal data to be transmitted, and then tap on register, and you will successfully register to your Aachen University account. But if you have forgotten your username or if you have forgotten your password, just tap on the forgot username, or you can tap on forgot your password, and after selecting one of those options, you can change your username or password. But if you don't want to log in for your student and employees account, what you can do is just continue without login. And even without logging in, you can access that page, and here you can find all the courses, degree programs, examination results, exams, and following other options that you can check. So that's it guys, this is how to log in Aachen University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below.